Authority meteorologist Chris Nelson.
Here's a sneak peek of the snowfall totals as of 8 o'clock this evening. About 4 inches topping the list for Stevens Point, just around 3 inches outside our station and in Titletown. Otherwise, less than 3 inches in most spots around central and north central Wisconsin. Don't worry, folks. There is going to be more snow on the horizon for us as we continue to see light to moderate snow moving through the area overnight tonight. Some heavier pockets, in fact, starting to develop. We're getting some better lift and convergence along the atmosphere here, and you're looking at some darker blue shadings right along Highway 29 through Eau Claire and marching eastward through Wausau, Marshfield, into Clark County, Jackson County, through, again, Wisconsin Rapids. So that will be the heaviest locations, I think, in the next hour or two for some snowfall. You go farther north into the Northwoods, just some snow showers and some light snow overall. But take a look out to the west. I'll get my body out of the way so you can see here. Look at all the snow still around, and this whole system is marching eastward, so we still have a lot more snow to be had from eastern portions of Minnesota, actually all the way back towards North and South Dakota. So over the next couple of hours, there'll probably be the heaviest snowfall. As we get to tomorrow morning, we'll start to lighten this up, and then we turn our attention to the blowing and drifting, which will be a concern. And I think that's why the National Weather Service will continue this winter storm warning at least until tomorrow night. It involves all the counties in the Badger State. It's been a long time since we've seen that. Travel conditions a concern tonight and for tomorrow. There's our north side cam from Wausau. We'll go to Wisconsin Rapids as well. There are snow-covered roads all around the area. So road conditions, I think, for tonight, tomorrow morning will probably be, well, we'll call it bad. Find a better word for bad. Nasty, ugly. But as we get into later parts of Saturday and especially, I think, Sunday, the roads will be better. It'll be cold with those temperatures plunging, likely below zero for daytime highs on Sunday. I'll show you that coming up in that 7-day forecast. Let's time out this snowfall on the hour-by-hour forecast. We'll kick things up to around midnight tonight, and we'll pause things at 4 o'clock. This whole storm system, actually that second batch of, we'll call it snow, the second wave more or less. We had that first wave early this morning along the warm front. That marches eastward, so we'll catch a break in the action. More snow. Just some light to maybe moderate snow pushing into central and eastern portions of Wisconsin. If you're traveling through Green Bay, Madison, Milwaukee, if you're heading to Chicago for the game, there will be some very slick roads and some tricky driving, I think, for Saturday and into Saturday night as well. We'll pause things at 5 o'clock, much of the same. I-43 between Milwaukee and Green Bay and through Chicago will be, I think, problemsome as well. Let's go to Saturday night and Sunday. Things start to clear out. Then we turn our attention to those brutally cold temperatures, and wind chill factors, I think, will plunge 15 to 25 degrees below zero. I know most areas only around 3 or 4 inches so far, but still overnight tonight for tomorrow morning, more snow in the forecast, and we'll get that lake enhancement from Lake Michigan and probably clipping our eastern and southeastern counties. So 9 to 12 through Fond du Lac, Green Bay, I'm still anticipating. Again, might brush Wapaka, Waushara counties, Juneau, Adams. Area-wide, I still feel pretty good about this forecast, 6 to 9 inches. I know other locations we're saying, or other places on social media, 8 to 12, 10 to 14. I feel pretty solid on 6 to 9 at this point. Now, don't just look at the 9 and automatically think you're going to see 9. Still, I think 6 to 9 is a good number. Farther north and west, you'll see probably 4 to 7. So quickly into the storm timeline. Snow will continue overnight, heavy at times, slowly tapering off to just snow showers. We'll get that next bundle, I think, late morning, early afternoon. Still some pretty tricky driving, I think, throughout Saturday morning into early portions of the afternoon. Then turning windy, blowing and drifting, and then brutally cold, highs below zero in that 7-day forecast. So we'll go from 17 the high tomorrow, 12 below on Sunday morning, 5 below for the high on Sunday, 15 degrees below zero on Monday. That'll be the coldest time, again, with wind chill factors well below zero. Dangerous time to be outside. 13 for the high on Monday, and then we are singing. We are happy. 31. Can't believe I'm happy about 31 for Thursday. That'll be the daytime high. For the latest weather, you can head to our website, WSAW.com.
We're singing.